英語は Conditionals というグラマーがあります。こんにちは皆さん、今 Vtuber です。Conditionals について勉強しましょう。Okay, let's begin. Conditionals, or better known as if clause, talks about a situation and what happens because of it. It's like if this happened, then that happens. There are 4 types of conditionals. Let's start with zero conditional. This is used for facts, general truth, daily routine, things that always happen. It's 100% true. It uses if plus present simple, comma, present simple. The time clues you would always see: always, every time, when. If you heat ice, it melts. This is absolutely true. If I don't eat breakfast, I get super grumpy in class. This is 100% true for me. So remember that zero conditional will always be true. For the first conditional is used for real future possibilities that are 80 to 99% most likely to happen. The structure is if plus present simple, comma, will plus base verb. The time clues that you will see would be tomorrow, later, this weekend. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay at home. This means that around 80 to 99% that we will stay at home if it rains tomorrow. If I finish my homework early, I'll binge on that K-drama. This means that I would most likely do this if I finish my homework early. Remember that this is used for possibilities that is most likely going to happen. For second conditional, it's used for unreal or unlikely situation like what if. It's like 1 to 10% most likely. The structure is if plus past simple, comma, would plus base verb. The time clues you would see is now, today, this week, but all of these are imaginary. For example, if I were rich, I would travel the world. The reality is I'm not rich. That's why I'm not traveling the world yet. If I had a time machine, I would go back to buy Bitcoin when it was still cheap. For this is an unreal situation because there is no time machine. So remember that second conditionals are used for unlikely situations. On our next video, we will learn a little bit more about how to use conditionals. Okay, that's all for today. Conditionals についてもっと学んでいただければ幸いです。次のビデオ楽しみにしてくださいね。質問があれば下にコメントしてください。返事します。今日は本当にありがとうございました。バイバイ。